Okay, hi everyone. Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I generate my content using ChatGPT or AI to do most of my designs. So in case probably you're working on a fictional work or you're working on anything fictional and you just want a fictional project, then I will put you through that how I generate my content and how I come about most of the design content. So without wasting your time, let me just get straight into it. So first of all, the first site that you want to use is goodbriefs.io. It's actually kind of AI generated, AI generating or something like that, but it's not more. It's less of an AI generating web, but actually has a list of contains a list of briefs that you could use for brand identities. You had a lot of things. So let me just put you through and show you how it actually works. So this is the site. I'll paste it also in the description. You can click there and see it. So you could see there are different types. There is logo. So in case you want to work on a frictional logo design, you could see logo, brand identity, illustration, packaging, billboard, website, and you could have a random you could pick from either of those ones that I previously mentioned. So you could choose from any of them. So in case you want to work on a brand identity design, and then you have then you make a whole project on the brand identity. But most times I use brand identity when it comes to just the poster because, like you understand, a whole full brand identity contains also posters and flyers or flyers instead. So flyer designs also. So I most times choose the brand identity the brand identity option in order to generate all those ones. So you select the brand identity, you could minimize it, then you could choose on what industry you want the brief to actually come from. If you want sports, the one currently working on to be out by next week is on sports. So the last one I worked on was on entertainment. You understand? So I worked on entertainment, and most of the videos you've been seeing are as a result of the briefs or the contents that have been generated as a result from good briefs. So you could choose any of them. So let me just say I will go with technology first. So you could minimize it. Then all I just need to do is hit generate. It's just very simple. You just hit generate, and it selects from the briefs that is found on the database, and they have this. So what you're just going to do is to copy the company's description or the briefs or the brand's description and you move it into ChatGPT. So you copy from here. You say that's the company's description. Go into ChatGPT. So this is the one I'm currently working on, which is actually for sports, and then to some. So I will show you what I use. Then from there we could work out. You see. So we could say a new. Okay. So now what we are going to do, we are going to paste what we copied from goodbriefs.io and paste it here. Then we hold on, ensure you're holding on shift in order to create space down. So if you want to correct it, I'm using Grammarly, so doesn't mind. It doesn't mean instead. So the prompt I'm going to use is that now use this brief that has been provided, this brief for this company has been provided to create content for flyer designs, or if you want say content for poster designs in case you want to work on arts or posters like that, then you could say for those purposes, or billboard designs if you want. So what I'm going to say is use this brief provided provided to create content for, let me say, 9, if you want, 9 flyer designs. We would say so. Not for if we want it to be structured, so we could also include a prompt to make it structured. So we could say also provide design structure and style for the brand. But if you actually see there is no brand name, so you could also include that one in case you wanted to give you a brand name. So you could say also includes design structure, brand name. So you could say include design structure, brand name, and and style for the brand. Then all we just need to do is hit enter, and wait for ChatGPT to just generate it. So you could see that all you just need to do get the brief, then you could set provide it, feed it into ChatGPT so it has an understanding of how the brief actually works. That's for fictional, when you're designing a fictional project. So if probably you have a client that just give you limited resources or limited information about the brand, maybe you start up and they do not have like a structure or something to put in place, you could also use that to see how you could create, you understand, the whole brand stuff and just continue from there. So as you could see, he's giving us the content, yeah, giving us the colors that we could use, the imagery, the logo is the logo design. So I think this is just the brand style that is giving us. It has not started generating the whole sequence of content and stuff like that. So let's just wait for it to just be done with generating.